Strength is more than carrying weight. It is about resisting bending and withstanding breaking under pressure. MOE, Modulus of Elasticity. MOE measures the stiffness of plywood, how well it resists bending under load. As per Indian standards, the benchmark is 6,400 newtons per square millimeter. Other brands deform under lower loads. But CenturyPly Club Prime performs differently. CenturyPly Club Prime exceeds the Indian standard of MOE, providing increased resistance to bending under heavier loads. MOR, Modulus of Rupture, measures the maximum load a plywood panel can withstand before breaking. As per Indian standards, plywood must achieve an average MOR value of 43 newtons per square millimeter. Other brands crack sooner under heavy load. CenturyPly Club Prime performs differently. CenturyPly Club Prime exceeds the Indian standard of MOR, providing superior bending strength and structural reliability. Because excellence isn't an achievement, it's a pursuit every single day. Sarvoda Sarvottam. CenturyPly Club Prime, the making of uncompromising ply.